This is the Noritz model number. Looks like model number is NRC98DV. In the middle says GQC2857WFF USA. So it's showing that it's a natural gas and 180,000 BTU, and obviously this is a Noritz company. It's connected this, you know, the meter. It'll show you 60 PSI. Wow, this is very nice. You know, this house has a portable water expansion tank, which might be giving a little better. You know, water is good condition here. Awesome. You have to see where is the filter. It's very hard to see where the filter is. Let me go this side. Okay, maybe let me see. Maybe this is the filter one. Okay, so I have to take it out and see it. Okay, that's the filter probably. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. All right. So this is Alex channel. Thank you very much for coming. Today I already explained you about Noritz. You know. This is a Noritz tankless water heater. Okay, anybody who has doubt and doesn't know how to do it, I have the information for you here. You know, the call Noritz 866-766-7489, and this is support.noritz.com. And you know, I will do it. Just go along because I have a checklist, and the model number is NRC98DV. I have a checklist, and also they write it down the bottom, you know, inverted commas, GQC285WSFF USA. That's also numbered, but usually this goes here NRC98DV. Okay, so I have a checklist, but I have some information, you know, before I go my checklist, and you know, I already explained you what we have to have. Okay, first of all. Okay, I have a little, you know, a tool, because sometimes, you know, you want to, you know, open this one and cannot open. Okay, let me explain something. This is the main blue color. So blue means, you know, the cold, main switch, coming water. Okay, and this is the red color. This is says that you know, hot water, and you know, the water goes from here and comes out and go to the house. Okay, so this is a hot water, and here I have two valves here. You know, if you don't have these two, you know, they say that you have it to you know, descale or flash your water heater. You know, so okay, and also this water heater is good because it shows you PCI, how much PCI you have. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna explain you, and then sometime you know what happened, these are very difficult to open it. So if you have this tool, you know, open and close, and maybe you want to use a little, you know, the WD or garage door, whatever, to put it here, so easily open it out and make sure it opens easily out. Okay, and also I already talked to you about it. I brought these two hose gardens, you know, these stuff. These will go here. I will go on my list, and obviously I have brought my bucket. You know, this is a bucket I have, and submersible. What do you call this? You know, submersible pump. Okay, you know, you can help me. And also I have here, you know, white vinegar, which was clean. Okay, so let's just start it. Okay, here's my list, checklist. Okay, power is on. Can you come here, please, a little bit? So this is the power is on. Okay, let me go. You want me to go down? So it says 120. There's power on. We don't have to turn it off. Okay, so there's power is on, and then we go to gas off. So can you come here? So we go always, you just follow this one here. Its gas is right here. Okay, so we are turning this is gas off. We're turning off. Which way it goes? This way. Okay, this way. Okay, turn off. Okay, gas turn off, and then red hot water and cold water. You know, shut off red hot water and cold water. So this is a cold water. this cold water main line, we're shutting off. Okay, it doesn't shut. Let me. Oh yeah, here we go. Shut off this one. Okay, this is a cold water, and then the hot water. Here we go. We shut off this one too. Okay. Blue is cold. Okay, got it. Okay. So we did the turn off hot and cold. Then remove a cap both sides. So this is a cap. We are removing it. Okay. Okay. They said when you remove it, make sure it might be little water comes out. So you know it didn't come out. Okay, good. Wow, it's already built in something there. You have to use for a while. There's one more here. This is a. Okay, got it. There's water coming from here too. Yeah, a little water. I have a bucket here down here. So okay, these two things. And then it says that remove both cap. Okay, bucket under the rate, drain the valve. Okay, same to the blue. So we did this blue and red. We did both. Okay, we go to next. Now they say that connect hose to pump. Okay, we're going to connect the hose to the pump. So this is a hose. Okay, we're going to connect to the pump. So I have this pump. You already know it. I already have. So this I'm going to connect this one here. This will go over there. Okay, good. So we're going to connect this one here. I hope you can see it. Okay, I connected this one, and this will go in the bucket. Okay, guys, this goes bucket. I'm glad this can reach here. So I didn't thought about it. So okay, this goes to the water here. We can close it. Anyway, we're gonna do this one here. By the way, before doing it, make sure inside there's a packing. This is very important. If you don't have this packing, the water is going to come out. So make sure this is there, okay? So we're going to do this one. Got it. And always my hand, this tool is very good. It might help me closing it. Or maybe it's not. I have to take other tool, this one. There's another tool I have, small one, you know. Good. So this is wonderful. Okay. And then what is the next? Okay, here we go. Next says hose to the cold side and other hose to the side. Okay, other hose. There's one more hot side here. Okay. This goes to hot side. Can you see it? Yeah, this goes hot side. You see, we already we turn off them. You know, both are turned off. Okay. I just want to make a little close, you know, because sometimes, you know, we don't close it. Yes. Okay. Perfect. Okay. And then what it says? It says go to. All right. Says that. Other hose to the, okay, so this goes to the bucket here. Okay, we have to come close. Close the bucket. Yeah, you know what happened? Can you hold on, please? Okay, so on the list it says that, you know, this side, you know, the hot side go inside, but it was way down here, so I believe it will up. So this can go here, you know. Okay, so this went in, and then let me see what I have to do. Okay, they're saying that pour vinegar in the bucket. Okay, so we have to pour the vinegar in the bucket. There we go. All right, pour vinegar in the bucket. Here we go. All right, one is done. Second. Okay, so second one almost done. Okay, so this is the third one. It looks like this. You can see it, you know, it's already inside there. I hope it works, you know, and I'm sure it'll work, you know. All right, so let's see what is the next one. Okay, plug pump on, so we have to make it on. And they say that try 1 hour, okay? And that's it. Yeah, it looks like it's working, and you know, this submersible pump we have to put up, make sure it's working, and then you know, you can see that, you know, water is coming from other side, you know, it's cleaning. So they say that leave it there about 1 hour, okay? After 1 hour it'll be okay, you know, and it's still, you know, it's working, so we have to, I cannot make it out, you know, just actually up here. This is scary, you can just put it started. Oh, okay, good. It is working fine, working fine. Okay guys, I will see you in 1 hour. Okay folks, it's about 1 hour done, you know. You already saw this one take, right? Noritz, and you know, we already talked to you about it. The model number is already given to you there. So it says that, you know, off drain hose cold side. So obviously, you know, we're gonna stop this one because my pump is a little different. All I have to do is down here, it is stop, okay? Now it says that go to off the drain hose cold side. So this is a cold side, okay? So I'm gonna drain out. Okay. All right. It's good. And then they say that, so that, okay. And number 11, put back drain cap. Okay, this is a drain cap. I'm putting back. Okay, some kind of little water is coming, you know, which is good too. I wonder why it's so hot here. It's not working or what happened, but anyway. So this is gonna put here. Okay, this turn off. And then they say, okay, and then set aside the pump. Okay, so we're gonna take out this pump, and then, oh wow, it's coming out here from here. Yeah, can you see the water? It's so dirty. Can you believe it? It's so dirty. Wow. Okay, so put aside. And then, what it says that, flush, okay, turn on the main valve. But before that, okay, hot side back bucket, hot side, okay. So we have to throw this away, and this hot side, we just take it out. We just put it down because it's a garage here. We throw this away, and then they say that put hot side in here, and open the main valve, and run the cold water about 20 gallon. So, you know, it can clean up everything from the inside, okay? All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what happened? Look at this, so dirty. I came outside and, you know, doing that, but it looks so dirty, my goodness. Wow, but again, that's done, wow. So, you know, we drain out the vinegar side, say turn main valve, turn on main valve, but before that, okay, this one has to go there. So, you know, when we turn on the main valve, it will go. But I don't want to turn very fast because it has to go all the way and come back. So let me see. We can slowly. All right, here we go. So I'm going to start. I think, you know, they say that start slowly is better. Oh my goodness! Did you see that? So dirty. Wow. Wow, look at it. Can you see that? So dirty. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Let me see.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, here we go.
Alright.
Okay, so hot water is coming here. It's now clean. Now it's clean, so I want to clean my garage. So I'm gonna, rather than throwing hot water, I'm gonna do it garage. So clean my garage. That's okay. Okay, so this is the place. It's a condensing unit. So if you have to, just pull it. It's called. Next, it says that if it's a condensing unit, twist to open, drain, caulk a little. And so maybe if there's something in there, it will come out. So let me see. Okay. Yeah, it looks good. There's no problem. So then it's just close it. Okay. All right. Thank you. It says that locate a filter, open and clean filter, put back. And they say that maybe a little water comes out. So here's the one I already did a little bit open. Here we go. Maybe a little water will drip a little bit. And let me see, it's coming out. All right. All right, this is what I'm talking about. So they say this is the filter, and then you can, inside there's a little dirt, you gotta clean up and put back. That's all I have to do. I'm gonna clean it and put back, okay? So this is a metal, I have seen this plastic ones, but this metal, and I just, took it out and clean it up, and I'm gonna put back, okay? All right, thank you. This is that filter, I clean up and everything. I'm just putting back here, right here. It's a real metal and very easy to do it. It's not even plastic. So, okay, going, and, just try to, they say that tight hand. So I'm tight in hand as much as I have power in my left. I'm not lefty. Okay, perfect, looks good. All right. So I located and the red drain valve off. Put back in drain cap. Okay, so this will be off. Where is the drain? Okay, this will be off. Okay, pull the cap off. Take this off. All right, it's good. And then put this one back. Okay, so let me see what it says next. And it says off and the turn main hot and cold to on position. Okay, so I think, okay then, so we're going to put turn on position here. So these are off, so we're going to put on position. Yee, water going in. On position. And this one also. This is a tough one. It's going, the water going over there. Just one. I use this one. I try to do it, but then didn't go because sometimes hand doesn't work. So I want to go down with this. Okay. All right. Woo, making sound now. All right. Oh, okay. All right, on and off that says turn on the gas. I turn on the gas. It's already working. And that's it. They say it's good to go. All right, thank you guys. Again, see you next program. Okay, folks, I hope you liked the program. And, I just want to talk to you about one thing. It's very interesting, The one thing was that, after cleaning up, the water was coming. It was pretty good water. And that water I put in garage and clean up because, it was empty, hadn't have anything, So that's one thing. Other thing, after a while you're watching it, did you realize that, when I turn off the gas, actually the gas looked like was off, so I turn on, you see. And but the thing is this, I turn on without knowing, which is not good. But I end up, when you do something and unintentionally you do it, sometimes you invent something. So I think I have invented something today. Just want to let you know, you have to follow the guidelines of company. I already explained you about it. You know, if you want to know, you can have to. Again, I'm going to emphasize here that you have to call Noritz 866-766-7489. But any other company, you just call if you're not understanding it, and then obviously there's all the information I already gave it to you. But in my case, you know, I think I found something new, which is that, you know, there was a code. It says 120 on the, you know, the remote control. What happened? I was thinking that it's going to change, but it never changed. And then I find it out that obviously cold water was not coming because it shut off that one. But gas was on. So the good thing is this, that, you know, even gas is on, it won't go that high because it has its limit where it go. It cannot go more than that. So while 1 hour was going on, it was cleaning in the hot water. And the hot water is always, you know, in the same level, didn't go up. Because if there's a cold water, then it will turn on and work on. But if it's not a cold water, it just will keep the same level. Which I learned today, you know, but it's again only for me, not for everybody, you know, because it's, you know, it is dangerous. Hot water, be careful. For me, it is kind of new invention, I find it now. And you have seen that there was so much dirt. So just one thing I want to, you know, talk about that, you know, if you put clothes in the cold water, obviously they clean it. But if you put it in the hot and cold, it will look better. But if you are hot, I mean, not that hot, you're going to burn you. I mean, you know, to some degree. So it cleans more better. So today I find out it cleaned very well. A lot of dirt came out. So again, that's only for me. For your side, you have to follow the lines and everything you do. And anyway, thank you very much watching my program. And I will take you again on second adventure. Thank you very much. Goodbye now.